How to change model in Gemini CLI. Want to get better results from Gemini AI? You can easily switch models inside Gemini CLI to upgrade your AI experience. First, launch Gemini CLI on your computer. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account or API key so the tool can access all available models. Next, go into the Settings or Preferences menu. Here you'll see a list of supported models, like Gemini Pro for advanced reasoning or Gemini Ultra for maximum performance. Simply pick the one that fits your task. Save your choice and restart Gemini CLI if needed. From now on, every request you run will use your selected model, giving you faster responses, better coding help, or deeper explanations depending on what you picked. And that's how to change your model in Gemini CLI and upgrade your AI on demand. Thanks for watching.